It's Black Friday season, Black Friday season, Black Friday season. Save your coins, sis. Save your coins, sis. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tells me. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 3 of the Black Friday series, and hopefully you have been catching up with all these latest upcoming videos for this Black Friday week that we're about to experience. And if you haven't, I will go ahead and link the videos down below so you can catch up after this video. But in today's video, I'll be telling you some recommendation of some products that y'all should purchase during this Black Friday season. Some of my favorite products of all time, which is why I'm recommending it to you. So you guys, before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. It is free 99. Just do so. Turn it gray and hit the bell button to be notified every single time when I post a new video. And if you have been liking all of these Black Friday haul videos, tips and trick videos, and this video and that videos, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up because I'm pretty sure you will like this one as well. Okay you guys, so let's go ahead and get started into this video. So I do have a list on my phone of some products that I have been using for the past few months or years. Some products that I really do love, and I really want to recommend it to y'all to go ahead and try out, because I wouldn't recommend something that I do not love. Okay, these are items that I love, not like love. I also have some of the products on my list in hand. Some of the products that are on my phone, I do not have it on me at the moment in here, only because I had just recently moved back home and some of my stuff is still packed away because I have no space, because I'm a product junkie. Okay you guys, so let's go ahead and get started on these recommendations of natural hair products that's on my list. So the first product that I'm going to name is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Hair Line. Now I have not tried the entire hair line, but the 3 products that I have tried, I actually did a review on these 3 products, is the actual hair mask, the leave-in conditioner, and the infamous twisting jelly. Okay, so good. So on hand, I only have the hair mask right now because, like I said, everything is still packed away. But this baby is so freaking good. I actually bought a second one when they had like that huge 60% off and free shipping sale. So I was like, ooh, after the first time I used it and the second time I was like, I need to buy more. I need to buy more. And it came out with that sale and I was like, ooh, touched my heart. So yes, I really love this hair mask a lot. And if you watch my most recent Two Shirt Twist video, I actually did use the leave-in conditioner from this line as well as the twisting gel, which is like freaking gold heaven. And my hair was so moisturized, my twist was just popping, and I was just like, yes, try it, sis. So the next product on this list is the Healthy Thicker Curls Shampoo. So this is the Healthy Thicker Curls Shampoo. I did a semi-full review on this actual brand, and I actually tried the twisting butter, and I believe it had a leave-in conditioner and the oil, but I feel like, you know, the butter and everything kind of felt like any other butter. It was really good, no lie. But this shampoo is a really good shampoo. This shampoo has a lot of slip. It's just really hydrating, moisturizing, and I never really like used a shampoo that was like this, that was as good, because Healthy Thicker Curls do not have a conditioner as I know of at this moment. They do not have a conditioner because their shampoo acts as a conditioner. It's kind of like a 2-in-1, a shampoo / conditioner, but it only says a shampoo. And I have tried my best to not really use too much of the shampoo because I really want it to like last as long as I can. And I'm like maybe like right here, and it's only because a little bit literally goes a long way. Okay, I never use a shampoo like this before, and like whenever I'm trying to do my wash days and I want to select the shampoo, I'm just like, oh, I gotta use this one, because other shampoos are kind of like stripping and drying and I just don't like it. But this one is definitely a good shampoo. So the next product on my list is a TGIN hair mask, y'all. The TGIN hair mask. This is one of my #1 favorite hair masks of all time. My favorite deep conditioner. This is actually my second tube of this deep conditioner, and I actually have 2 more. And just this container alone, it's a little on the thin side, so I'm about to be done. But yes, they only have maybe a full deep condition day left in here. And it smells like freaking heaven. This deep conditioner is so moisturizing. Like, I don't know anyone that does not like this hair mask at all, and if they don't like it, something's wrong with them. Because there's no reason why you don't like this. Now TGIN always have sales like randomly, sporadically anyways, so I really feel like them and the Main Choice is definitely going to have a good sale for Black Friday or either for Cyber Monday. So definitely look out for these two brands because they are going to have some bomb sales, and I could just feel it in my heart. If they don't specifically have the sale, I know for sure Ulta will have this sale because Ulta does sell TGIN, and they always go on sale at Ulta, and that's how I just have so many TGIN products. I'm a product junkie. So the next product on my list is actually this hair brush, and this is a Detangling brush by Kazmaleje. Now I have been showing this brush a couple of times on my videos when I do my twist outs or when I do my deep conditioners, and I love this Detangling brush so much. I love the fact that it is wide tooth. The main purpose of why it's made like this is because to prevent an increase of shedding of your hair, which we all know we don't like the shedding, and it is very sturdy. Okay, like you could just bet somebody, you know, want to play with you because, you know, whatever. But I really do love this brush for my hair. Like I feel like it'll probably be good for wigs, whatever. It's just good. Okay, also the one thing that I do love about this brush is the fact that at the end it is a parting part, so you can part your hair as well as detangle your hair. So it's kind of like a two-in-one detangling brush and a comb at the end. So and I also see on the Instagram that they did actually say that they are going to have a Black Friday sale. I don't exactly know what type of sale it's going to be, but they did hint that they're going to have a sale on Black Friday. So just go ahead and watch out for them. So my next product that I recommend is the Camille Rose Green Tea and Jojoba Moisture Butter. Now, this moisture butter I have been using for I don't know how many years now. Camille Rose is one of those products that I pretty much just leached onto when I first started becoming natural, maybe like 2 to 4 years into me being natural. Like Camille Rose was like bae, and it still is bae. Okay, like I love this moisture butter. It leaves my hair super duper moisturized, hence the name. It just leaves it shine, like it's not dry at all. Like I love it. And this is actually not my only container, unfortunately. We have another one here, and we have another one here. Okay, so these are all my moisture butters. Okay, and these are all the same moisture butters. I love them so much. Camille Rose is also another brand that always go on sale, especially during Black Friday or Essence Festival, whatever. But definitely check them out for these products because it's good. Another Camille Rose product that I definitely recommend is the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. Now this deep conditioner is really good for color treated hair, which is why I got it. It really helps with restoring moisture for the dry hair because we all know that color really like kind of like strips everything and dries your hair. Okay, so I really do love to use this Algae Renew mask whenever I do redye my hair and add a little bit more color, just to give it a touch a little bit more moisture and just restoring the balance that I just like washed away. Okay, but this is definitely good. It has a lot of slip, very moisturizing, and also smells good. I don't know no Camille Rose product that just doesn't smell good. And the last Camille Rose product, okay, so this is the last Camille Rose product that I do recommend, and this is the Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard, and this is a really good conditioner that is super duper moisturizing, super duper creamy, has a lot of slip. It is just, and it smells like freaking heaven. I have been using this one a lot because it's like almost at the bottom, and this is another like product that I try not to grab so frequently because I love it so much, but I want it to actually last because I'm like, I don't want to buy more products because I have too many other products I need to try. But this product is definitely like, if I was on a stranded island, this is the conditioner that I would grab, like hands down. Okay, this is the conditioner. So the next product that I have on my list for recommendations is the EarthBorn Organics, and I actually did a video of EarthBorn Organics so not too long ago, probably like 2 weeks ago, and my all-time favorite product is the Caramel Deep Conditioner. Oh my gosh, that deep conditioner is like so good. It smells like freaking caramel. It's so moisturizing, like it's so thick and creamy and just everything. Like, oh, if they do have a sale, I really do suggest grabbing that deep conditioner specifically. Now, other products that I do love is the avocado leave-in conditioner, but if I had to choose one product, it would definitely be the caramel deep conditioner to grab during Black Friday. Okay. And then the final thing on our recommendation list is a thermal hair care hot head. day. Now I also did a review on that hot head, and the hot head is pretty much just a bind that you heat up and it helps with your deep conditioning process. So one thing that I do love about this hot head is that it's a good substitute if you do not want to use heat on your head, because it is just pretty much just like a binder that you just heat up in the microwave. It's filled with flaxseed seeds in there, so you just heat up in the microwave for 45 seconds on each side, and you just plop it on your head when it's time to do your deep conditioning process. And you can be mobile around the house, clean and do this and do that while you're deep conditioning, because it's literally just a bonnet on your hair that's hot and helping out with your deep conditioning. So I really hope that they are having that sale, because that is a great tool to use for substituting with heat. So you guys, that is the end of my recommendation list. If you do have any products you want to recommend yourself, go ahead and comment down below. Tell us some products that you like that you would recommend to your fellow girlfriends, because the products that I list may be new to you and the products that you list might be new to me. And you know, I do love to try new products, even though I am a product junkie and I really don't need not a goddamn thing no more. But I do like to try new products, and I feel like if you're recommending this product, obviously you have tried it out more than one time and it's really good. So you guys, let's go ahead and go share these recommendations down in the comment box below. And if you did enjoy this video as well as the other Black Friday videos, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, turn it gray, and hit the bell button so you can be notified every single time when I post a new video. Bye guys, and see y'all in the next video.